Hello, Eileen, Izzy, hi Grace, Stewie, how's everybody doing today? Hi Afweed. Hi everybody. So yeah, today is kind of going to be a continuation of a lot of the silliness that was happening, during the last computer club thingy. So chat silliness. To show you sort of what I mean, there's some videos. Where... hi Grope Games, how's your day going? Nya, much nya. Wait. Do I have them stored over here? There. Yeah, here we go. Chat got really silly at Computer Club. This is where we're going. This is what we're doing. It got even more silly over here. This is how chat's gonna be now and forever. Except maybe not quite that much. But a little bit that much. A little bit. Let's see. So if I run this example project, it should be doing the stuff. So if we put like that, it'll work. Should even be able to resize it. Soup. Got a big soup. See? So what I need to do now is... we gotta introduce some transparency. And also make, I think clip content should be off. I'm pretty sure anyways. Because we turned it off and then saved it. So the chat messages should be able to go like wherever now. Look at those soups. Thank you to resub zombies. Heckin' hearts. How's your day going? So yeah, you can use... look at those soups. You can use BBCode in this chat. Let's get a link. I think... here. No, Vitar asked me why I made you touching his butt. Gatsby Day art. I said, I don't know, seems like something Nova would do. Just touch a butt. I'll admit, I'd touch a butt. Woke up, played bunny game, took nap, ordered dinner, now I play more bunny game. Hell yes, that sounds amazing. BBCode. Yeah, I don't have anything to handle the meta stuff for BBCode. I could though. It is possible. All right, let's see. So, first off, so that people can have fun while I'm working on this, we should probably make an export of this project. Imagine bunking. Bunk, bunk. Much bunk. Potato. Yeah, see, my server bot can pass the potato test. Hi Meatloaf, how's your day going? Let's put you under belts. Sure. That should work. Gift test. Oh no! I forgot that was my main scene. I like this GIF. It's great. Ship it? Yep. Godot's TCP code? Oh, struggling with Godot TCP. Oh no. Something about network code turns you into absolute. That, I feel, that's normal. That's to be expected. Network code do be like that. Okay. So we need to go here. We want our main scene to be example. So now when we hit play, it goes right to there. Now let's export you. Okay. There we go. Now we can add you as a source. Specific window. This. There. So I can squamsh that over there. This is gonna go up there. Wait, let's maybe squamsh you up there. There. Alright, so that's chat, but it doesn't work. Because it doesn't have the auth file, I need to put the auth file. Hi Linus Prime. Python node test server clients can talk to the Godot, can't get into them. I messed up the firewall and the ports and everything for a couple. Oh no! Trying to send arbitrary data to the TCP server. Giving up for now. I'll sleep on it. All right. I hope you sleep well, and I hope it doesn't end up bugging you. Also, hi Meta Knight. How's your day going? So, Twitch chat bell. Does this need to be in here? Maybe. Let's try loading you again. It does. Okay. I think I fixed it. All right. You got a cursed chat up there. I'm not going to sleep right now. Just maybe brain no good. Yeah, I feel you there. Which is why I specifically said in the announcement that I reserve the right to pivot over to Dark Souls if I want to. Because, you know, Dark Souls is pretty nice. For me, at least, it's kind of my comfy game. Alright. So, debugger. Command info never used. I'm just gonna... Oh wait, it is used there. Whatever. I just don't want these warnings. So we're gonna get rid of them. Wait. It did a reverse order? Wild. I didn't know that would work. I'm gonna put that over there. This over here, I think. So I can see it better. Right to left override. Oh, I see. I haven't really played with BBCode that much. I should, though. Hi, dude. How's your day going? It is a dragon. BBCode is fun. It is. And you can use it right now in chat if you want to. And you'll see it up above there. Feel free to put whatever cursed stuff you want in there. For now. Alright, chat message. We want this to be transparent. So I need to find chat container. Or wait, does gift have no? Example scene. Oh, there it is. Chat panel. So go to style box flat, background color gone. Empty style box. Okay. But it doesn't look like it's reflected here. Doesn't update? Oh, do you have to refresh it? Oh, I know. Whoops. I don't want to make it big. Hide the H box at the bottom. Hide the input field. I could. Probably should. We need to do transparency. Enables a window manager hint. Does not make it actually transparent. On screen chat it isn't auto-scrolling? Oh, right. I gotta do that. So, how did we do that again? Love this song? Hell yeah. EXO does some really good songs. Transparent background option on the rendering settings. There we go. Might as well just go through and check all of them, just to be sure. Yeah, it needs to have well, that's a cute cat. It needs to have, yeah, it needs to have been imported. So, like, you could theoretically do that with a GIF that had been loaded if you knew the resource of it. Yeah. But for now, I gotta find the scrolling thingy. Unless scroll container. Wait, it looks like it's scrolling now. Though. Like, I'm not scrolling it and the chat's scrolling. Yeah, that could be scrolling. Scroll. Yep. Hands off. I'm not, there's no, I'm just, you know. Enlin got a cold brew container and made some cold brew, and it's really tasty. That's what this is. Vertical scroll mode. If you want to make it scroll, but it looks like it already is scrolling, Stewie. I don't know why it is. In the chat container? Oh, there is. If bottom. Yeah, we did. Did we do something different? If bottom, yes. If bottom, Nova Shy. Okay. I see the code we had before. So I'm gonna put some stuff here. Made a better one? Yes. So we've got chat messages container. Bar max messages. And then we have a message queue. Chat message. Cuma message. Did the nya not nya? Here's a nya. Hey, it was a you nya right off the bat.
Nya.
Yeah.
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 Nya.
Hydrate will do. Oh, and a stretch.
Yeah.
Much nya. Hi, Chris. And hi, Quantum Skink. How are your days going? Okay. So for chat message, did we make this into a class? We did. Should save some points for the next Neapocalypse. I should probably have a redeem for Neapocalypse.
Meow.
Okay. Oh wait, do I need to save that? Here. There we go. So now, got this. Process, new message. Okay. We don't have a new message. And then bottom. I don't know why I'm retyping this. I could just copy it. Big cat. Full combo? Hell yeah. Get all those cutie targets. So this is what the bottom is. Bottom part is we can do betterer. This bottom? I'm pretty sure this bottom you helped with before. This one's janky? Bottom? Who's the bottom? Figured out a better way? Nice. When you were helping Cam? Oh, hell yeah. Aw, Cam's UI looks so heckin' rad. Put it on the scroll container directly. So I guess let's just get rid of this stuff then. Auto scroll container on scroll container. Haven't stopped by Cam in a long time. Not be looking when he's streaming. Oh yeah, same. Also, hi Freb. Thanks for the raid. Heckin' hearts. Feb. How was your stream? I was lurking a bunch. Seemed pretty comfy. Feel free to plop like the link to the game and stuff if you want. Oh! Thanks for the resub, Feb. I'm very brains right now. Understandable. That game looked very complex. It basically looked like you were programming a box assembly machine. That's a lot of time. That is a lot of time. 20 whole years.
Where is the library?
Where is that library? Okay, let's get a script on here. Auto scroll container. 1 billion years in Nova years? Exactly. Freb is always comfy. You guys are the comfiest people on Twitch. Thank you. Yes. Freb is heckin' comfy. Last puzzle beat you? Oh no. Yeah. Those puzzles looked really intense. So on this scroll container, make a new function like on v scroll changed. Oh, whoops. How in the heck did I open Sprite? What am I doing this evening? The chat. Cursed chat. We're doing cursed chat stuff. Very Sprite of me? Yes. Okay, so does the scroll container have a stop breaking things? Yes. Hi Axia, how's your day going? Have an onReady variable for the scroll bar get the scroll bar. Returns the vertical scroll bar. Okay. So this gets on ready. You can connect change signal scroll bar to the function. vScroll changed connect on vScroll changed. Wait, okay. But this get vScroll bar. Oh, wait a minute. This, because it's on this, it is the thing it is. Don't call it. Oh, right. I think it auto completed. Vertical. Oh, gotcha. I get you now. So when this happens, We scroll to the bottom, which changed is called whenever main value, max value, page or step changes. So whenever something, oh, nice. Wait. Page. Will I be able to scroll then? Or will it just always rescroll value? Oops. If rescroll value is greater than or equal to rescroll max value, rescroll dot page. It will only auto scroll if you are at the bottom of the scroll. Okay, so I would have to scroll back down to the bottom for the auto scroll to resume. That's okay. That's the expected behavior. So then we would do another thing? What another thing? Need another call. Who are we gonna call? And what shall we call them? Oops. Value changed. Value changed. I've designed to install Gentoo? Nice. I've only ever done that a couple of times. Property to store if we are at the bottom. A boolean. Var are we bottom. Depending on how you're feeling, for the default behavior, probably true. Oh, because it'll start. Yeah, it'll start true. On value changed. Are we bottom? That thing in the if. We can't check that condition in the other function. We can't check it in here. Doing it for the fun. I've had it and just want to say it as easy as can be as even I can. Nice. We got then the max value already changed. We are no longer at the bottom, so we check if we are at the bottom the last time we scroll. Auto scroll if the size changed. So on the if are we bottom? And the scroll value is the scroll max value minus the scroll page. Does my model actually have a tail? It doesn't yet. I still need to model one in Blender. Like, I learned Blender enough to where I could have modeled one, but then I didn't yet. True tale is the friends we made along the way? Yes. Does my model have legs? My model does have legs. See? Got feetsies. Whoop. Open Blender and do it? No, I'm doing this today. Tail Adam coming soon? Hell yeah. Anyone told you yet today that you were sweetest queen this side of the galaxy? Oh, thank you. Very legful? Yes, much like. Hi, Eldon. How's your day going? Nice jumpsuit? Yeah, Cat made it. This is kind of like the one she used to wear. That emote is pretty wild. Yeah, it still goes super fast. Giving away feet pics. I'm giving away shoe pics. 10 of 185 packages. Nice. Yeah, it is super heckin' fast. Right up. Wait, can you see it? Right up there. Frogs. This should work. But wait, where is value changed? Where does this get connected to anything? There's a value change signal? Oh. Where? Connected on ready to? Is it not in here? Or do we just have to connect it manually? It's on the, oh, on V scroll bar. Okay, that's why it's not in the scroll container. Value changed. Dot connect on no. Value changed. Like this.
There is a point.
Oh, I should do on, because that makes more sense. So on value changed, are we bottom? Is this Dara? Thanks for the resale. Heckin' bread. Good night, Dara. Whoa, something else triggered. Not sure what though. Bread nut, yes. Much bread. Fix it, bread. Wiggly breads. Eldon! Thanks for the prime sub. Ah, thank you so much, everybody. Heckin' hearts. So if I then went in here and took out the bottom stuff, It should just work now without needing any of this. Take out the bottom? Yes. Yeah, it doesn't work with those. Let's see. Bottom. Is that the only thing I need to get rid of? I think so. All right. So, let's see if this works. So it should be transparent. And we got a wiggly bread there. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna have to spam a lot to get that scroll. Big bread, yes. Or just, what's Stewie gonna do? Spam? That is a big soup. Big fucking soup. Alright, now I'm up at the top. Aha! It did! It is scrolling. Why though? I don't know. Honestly though, you're checking the stuff correctly? I don't know. I was mostly worried that it was going to scroll, that the scrolling action itself would cause it to try to go to the bottom. Okay. So, when the value changed, we do on value changed. The signal isn't working. Value change requires an argument for the value. A val float. Like this. Oh, wait. Oh. That's what all these errors were, weren't they? Yeah, it was warning for it. Yep, I wasn't paying attention. Test. I think maybe it'll work now. We've got a big bread. Now if I scroll up. Hey, there we go. Okay, now we scroll down. Nice. Hell yeah. Such success. Yes, we have succeeded. We have this heckin' magnificent loaf right here. Look at that thing. The emoji font. Oh, right. We were going to do that, weren't we? Where did I have that in the previous project? Noto color emoji. Can I just like... how about this? Did it? Oh, it went in there. There we go. Could re-download it? I mean, I could. But I didn't. So now... oh, wait a sec. Am I using that one or am I using emoji font? Hydrate will do. I have the project open in another window. So like chat message, theme override, theme. Oh, rich text label. That's where it would be. Normal font, emoji. Oh, the emoji font is using, I think I remember how we did it. We created a new resource. Font. Was it yeah, it is. Yeah, it's set as a fallback. So which font did we use? Or was it a font variation? How do I check in here? What type of resource? Oh, system font. Okay. A system font resource. I think emoji font. Then fallback was this. Allow system fallback. Just kind of comparing the stuff that I have set in the other one. I think that's right. So then here for the theme override font. Yeah. Yeah. Quick load. Emoji font. So, how would we test if we did the font right? Soup? Is that the correct soup? It is working? Hell yeah! Noto soup? How about you can now... Is that a moose? What is that? Moose? Nice. Oh. So this gives like an expanded default fonts. I think I see. That's pretty neat. So now that we have that, more recent emoji than the Microsoft one. Nice. Alright, so now that we have that, there were a few other things I wanted to add. One of the things was this pronoun manager. So how did I do that? Huzzah! Yes, much huzzah. Actually, probably time to make another build, huh? And then let's load it. Builds. Wait a sec, why is it... Oh, there we go. I just had to allow transparency. And then I'll get rid of this one. There we go. Nice. That emote's really tiny. Wait, can it do font size ones for these now? The BBCode ones? Ah, they're smooching. Nice. Alright, let's add a new scene. Pronoun manager. New script. Like this. Project auto load. And that add close. Hi Yuke, how's your day going? Yuke, the BBCode strangeness is active. Feel free to instigate chaos. Ah, so far away. Mostly finished making a mixer, and hell yes. Will the pets ever reach the cat? Oh no. Cat is cautious of hand? Yes. Not quite sure if want pat. Alright, let's see. There's one more of that. Alright, so... pronouns. Yeah, I just changed the font, to what we had in the other Twitch chat thing. Pronoun manager. Where are we using them though? In chat message. Chat message looks a lot more intense. We've got like all this stuff. Oh, the cat got the cheese. Hell yeah. So user pronouns, pronoun manager, get pronoun. Okay. Data tags color. Data tags. Okay. I remember doing all this. I do think I want that. Is message ready? True. What was I using is message ready for? While not message queue is empty message. Oh, the message queue. Oh, gotcha. We'll need to do that too. Okay. Yes. Can make the luminosity better? I don't know, I kinda liked it though. Like however we had it, I kinda got used to it being that way, and I kinda like it. So is message ready? Hi Flatten Fox, how's your day going? So for the message queue, that's gonna be in here. Message node. Process. Wait, we had stuff up in process? Aww! Patting the cat. Hell yeah. So then new message. Probably easiest if I just grab all of this and just plop it right in here and just see what breaks. Message queue. Chat messages container. Chat messages container is this. Planning to handle this too? I suppose I could. How would I do that? It would be in the chat message data tags, I'm guessing. Got more excited. Aw. Don't think there's a tag. Would I just search for action at the start? One thing I noticed when I checked is that it doesn't have a notes. Starts with that, then action. So would I just make a thing in there? Message. I like that emote combo from It's an Errand. Hi, Errand. So wait, for the message queue, access messages, max messages we need. Here we go. The rubs feet. So it, wait, handle emote rubs feet. It's displaying the emote, but it's like getting mixed up in there. Offset, maybe. So would I need to bug buddies? Nice. Buggies. Aw. Buggy sounds really cute. Oh, that's nice. Patting that cat. Gotta pat the cat. So let's see if I understand this right. I don't need the bottom anymore. I don't think so anyways. So, hooray for paragraphs? Yes. I don't need to spam chat to spam chat. You can fit so much chat in your chat. Slaps a riff of chat. Access messages. Gets rid of those. And this also should handle the case where it's trying to load a whole bunch of emotes and then someone makes a shorter message. They should still arrive in the correct order, if I remember right. Love spamming chat. All the honks. Yes. Slut Marif. So do your mods, indeed. Aaron's chat is super fun. Image tag seems potentially dangerous. Well, sort of indirectly. You would only be able to use the image tag for a resource that has been previously loaded, I think. Hi, Frog. In the previous iteration of the chat, we actually did, like, filter out all BBCode tags, but I'm thinking I might let them back in. Potentially only for VIPs if people start abusing it. That Dooku emote is too good. So I think in the previous one, how did I get rid of it? There was like somewhere in the message I just got rid of it. I had to leave for a sec. No worries, Crazy Stewie. More soup. All the soup. I think it was somewhere around here. Does it handle emote here? No, I think it's because it has... Is it because it has that action in there? In the string? That it like mixes it up? It is because of the action thing? I thought so. Chat container. I feel like somewhere... Oh, escape BBCode. I had this in the chat container. So if I needed to, I did this in put chat. Message equals escape BBCode message. So this is how I would escape it. Yes, pat the cat. Much pat. It's more embarrassing I fails with it because I added code specifically to handle action, yet emotes still mess it up. Oh no. How would I escape it? With this. I replace the opening brackets. So that would, I believe, yeah, let's test it out. So in the one up there, it should still work, but the one here, it shouldn't work. So like if we did this, yeah, it works up there, but not in here. So what I would probably do is somehow test. I like that important. That important is very important. Action thing and easy out is trim prefix on the message. Message. Okay. Let's try it. Why am I typing it? I can copy and paste it. Might even work. Let's try it. So then we just do I don't know if that worked. Really funny me to consider 1 byte of IRC protocol as a Unicode character. So not that in your head. Wait, what is in the message there? The message looks like this. Priv message action. Does it handle emote here? Yeah, it's still... I'm trying to put it somewhere you can read it easier. Need to do it after? After we update the message? So, right before, or right inside? Would it be... Can I print message somewhere in there? Sure. Where should I print the message? Right before we do set message? Just at the start? Print message. So it should be printing. Action, hello. Okay. Action, hello. Yes. So do we need to just remove the action? Like msg equals msg dot trim prefix action. Can you print this? There we go. It's 1. Is it supposed to start with a 1? I don't know if I understand this trim prefixes. It's action, not header for that case. Oops. Should we try this then? Let's do it. I love the rainbow beep beep poo poo. Hell yeah. Whoops. Nice. Do starts with detect if it's an action. So if MSG starts with, wait, what is starts with? Is that begins with? Yes. So then all of this starts with is what Rust does? Ah. Print my message. So now we would do so if it starts with that, message equals message dot trim prefix, or wait, equals I plus so that should give it italicizing. Hi Archer Boy and hi Elwood. Updating. The thing above my head is the cursed chat. Let's see if this works. Also close the tag if you want. I mean, if we're gonna be proper about it, I probably should. That's super cute. Long Uke is trying to print a message. No italics for me. I guess it kind of works. Oh dear. Yeah, the emotes don't work, Freb. It'd be amazing if they did, though. So, yeah, the italics. So I need to do, what I need to do is MSG equals MS. I need to do this first. Then I need to do this. So first, we trim it. Then, we add it. Not that? Can't do the I there? Okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay, I know how to do this, I think. We process the emotes here. So what we'll do var message is italics false. Then what we'll do is say true, not true, true. Then, right before we do this, if message is italics, then message equals I plus message plus closing I. Whoa! So many messages. Could if Nova used Noto emoji instead of the color version? Wait. Rainbow. Disappointment. I like the disappointment rainbow. Eccentric character. Oh my. Alright. Now let's test it. Hey, nice. Thanks for the follow, Mathemagics. Hope you enjoy it here. Hi. Faded too hard? Oh my. Oh my gosh, that is shaky Novagasm. Very soupful. So wait, will this work if I have soup, and then we'll put like a soup in there, and then we do this, and then more soup. Nice. Hell yeah, stretching will do. Oh, I need to stretch so much more. It's so nice to have me working properly. Hell yes. BBCode in rich text label. Yes. This working? It is working. Or it's working here. But it's not working up there yet. But I think we're at the point where we can make another build quick. So let's do it. Whoops, not there. Or wait a sec. Did we get there are pronouns there? There are, okay. So that got done. Export my project. And then let's go to builds. Close that. Open that. Scooch you over there. Did I get pronouns too? I think I did. Yeah. Q and auto delete. I think that might be in there. That would be this part. Oh, I don't have the manual delete though. Just the... Does put chat put things in the queue? That's a good question. I don't know. does it get in there? Line 52, adding them directly? So how did I do it in the other one? Put chat. So in the other one, I did it here. Message queue push front message node. Oh. So throughout this entire thing, we're constructing a message node. So that can all be done. And then by the time that it's ready, we'll pop it out the back. Yeah. So message queue anywhere before the first await. There. Doing it right after making the note is probably best place. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. We'll put it there and then remove lines 53 and 54. The add child in the await. Add child here. Wait, are we not supposed to await? Oh, I guess not. The await does nothing? Oh, that was tied to the bottom part, I bet. Boop. The uke is booping. To give time for the layout stuff, yes. But now we aren't bottom anymore? Wait, what do you mean? What if I want to be a bottom? Really wonder what all the units for these tags are. Yeah, that's a good question. Like, is the radius in pixels? And what's the frequency? Write games in Brainfuck for the NES and then run it in the emulator? Yikes. That seems obfuscated. Maybe this one is in pixels? I don't think it was for Wave. Who even knows? I certainly don't. Check the source at some point. Maybe right now? My. Parameter delta is never used. Okay. We'll clear that one. So, what next? What was the other thing I wanted? Boop, boop, boop. Gotta boop that uke. That is a long float. else do we have? So we've got the action working. Message queue. Freb.
Marked with sections of a tag, each bearing the same serial number.
So
Detection.
I wonder if there's a way to see. To see like. Okay. LJ family. Private message in this channel.
Detectors.
It's a palindrome. Yeah, a way to see if.
Detect and track.
So I'm thinking like the BBCode stuff. I don't want it to be like maybe I want it to be a redeem. Like if you redeem the BBCode, it'll put it through. Just to like sort of squinch the amount of chaos. Maybe.
Detection.
But negative frequency would play it backwards. Backwards. Okami has it like that. BBCode redeem. Nice. Yeah. So wait, do I have any? Let me make a redeem here quick. Channel points. What? Test reward. How do I require viewer to enter text? Test some BB codes. Color. Yeah. Save. Do redeem messages? That's what I'm about to check. Wait. Did. Oh, okay. I edited it, but I didn't actually put it in there. Some BB code. The message came through, but I don't know if it's. It doesn't indicate anywhere down here that it's a redeem. Thanks for the follow, Panda. Hope you enjoyed it.
Everyone was wearing fingerless gloves.
Does it not? I don't think so. It isn't printing the tags? Oh. Let's print my tags then. Would that be... Wait, where is this printed? Print sender data? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, print var to string? Okay. Like this. No if I can click yourself. Oh my. Click, 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 click. The variable, not the type, lowercase. Need to handle it? Yes. And the variable... Oh, whoops. I see it now. Okay. Hey, look at all those. Mod. I wonder if mod is what it would be. Mod 0. Mod 0. Oh, VIP 1. Okay. Turbo 0. Not a turbo. Ain't got no turbo. Yet somehow I still don't get any ads anywhere. But you won't hear me complaining about that. Whoa! What the hey is all those messages? Custom reward ID. Nice. So, the custom reward ID. So basically, client hunts. Isn't there. It looks like it's there. Unless it was. I think your solution for the action messages is good though. Okay, so I know I could limit it by VIP if I wanted to. I could also check to see. Wait, what was that called again? The custom reward ID. Is there a way? So basically, I could be lazy and just check to see if this exists, and then it'll just work for any of them. That might be the way to do it. Do you think? Is the highlight my message? Oh, I can try to enable that one. There. Highlight my message is enabled. How do you BBCode? BBCode. The link is here. Let's see. Different ID. Yeah, I don't think it does. Yeah, I don't think it has. Has a message ID? No custom because it's built into Twitch. Understandable. Highlight message here. Message ID, highlighted message. Yeah, that's probably what they use. Oh, are you saying that I could check this? Yeah. I could check if it has this and then make it rainbow. Yes. I like that. Let's do that. Let's actually do that. Wait? For what shall we wait? Oh, does this work? What was the this? That was the thing. See that as an action? Yes. In actual Twitch. Oh, yes. Yeah, it looks like it worked. Should it not have worked? Oh, well, I guess. Maybe they're doing something similar. Alright, so let's do... So we've got this message ID highlighted message. So it's going to be something along the lines of if sender data dot has how do I check if it has a thing? Tags if sender data dot tags dot has message ID. If sender data tags message ID is equal to a highlighted message, you can use a get. Oh, will get just basically do both of the things that I just tried to do? Because if it doesn't have it, it won't return an error. Sender data tags get message. Wait. It'll return that. Nice. Hell yes. Or null if you don't put anything. Okay. So var is highlighted message false is highlighted message true. Then if also just equal it directly. Test nyan instead of the if. Oh, I see what you're saying. This. is highlighted message. So it's this. We need to do this still in the if statement because we got to do the trim. But for this one, there's so many equals, you got to do all the equals. If is highlighted message, then message we'll do message equals rainbow frequency equals 1, saturation equals 1, value equals, I think, plus message plus rainbow, maybe? Let's try it even. Nice. Don't have enough points to test. Oh no. Might want less saturation. Probably. Now that I'm looking at it. I can probably just like test the rainbow commands here. Frequency 2, saturation is 0.5. What about more saturation in bloom? Value equals testing my soup. That's way too little. 1 on the value? One. I kind of like the slower rainbow. Hey, wait a minute. How come that one didn't work? Val nullified the saturation. Glow like crazy. I see. Oh, if we had bloom in there. I see. Bloom in there, exactly. Bloomers even. I think bloomers testing. Oh my gosh. That's too much. Gotta be I like the sunglasses friend slime. Very AO energy indeed. Much, much indeed. But yeah, I kind of like this one. make it a little slow, a little less saturated. Oh, whoops. Here, I can do that. Oh, sheesh. Those letters are going everywhere. Oh, look at... Okay, gotcha. Let's see. If we did this, this, shake rate, level 2. Size. Hi Snipes, how's your day going? Font size equals 4. Aw, sorry to hear that, Snipes. Mine's doing pretty, or my day's going pretty well. I slept again through most of today. Being the best Twitch chat overlay, aw. Whoa. All the villagers in your villager breeder died. I had to find 2 new villagers. Oh dear. Totally forgot this was happening. Forgot what was happening. How's everybody? Not too bad. Sounds like your day slept through the whole thing? Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't work with the emotes. Wish it did. I ain't sleeping. I half feel you there. Again, I'm back in the whole thing where like I'll either sleep for 12 plus hours or like a couple hours tops. And early is just starting and had to dip. Oh, no worries. No worries. Yeah, we're kind of mostly just fooling around with chat stuff. Sleep is also worse again. Aw. Pat, pat. Hi, Medusa Skirt. How's your day going? Forgot how to sleep again? Yeah. Hi, Ego. How's your day going? Is this how the rainbow works? It is indeed. You got it. Sleep is hard. Sleeping late because I'm not really in the mood. Aw. Sorry to hear that, Snipes. Day's going pretty good overall. Hitting my desk chair more and more. Getting a good desk chair is a very worthwhile investment because like you sit in it every day. I feel like anything that you use for an extended period of time every single day is probably worth a little bit more. Currently finishing up editing the shoulder exercise video. Ooh, nice. Just don't get a gamer. Yeah, the gamer chair's not good. I've got a mesh chair. Whoa, my avatar just... I looked behind me, and VC Face didn't like that. But yeah, I've got a mesh chair that I've had for almost 10 years now. I should probably get a new one, but it was really good. It was one of those with all the adjustable ergonomics and stuff. And I replaced the wheels with like these, they're almost like rollerblade wheels. Very smooth. Chair should be high investment. Also help with long-term back problems. Exactly. Spinny new office chairs are great. Yes, all the spinny. Got a mech chair, a mesh, like let's see if I can find an example. Wait, is that might actually be it. It's kind of like this one. It might actually even be this one. No, it's a little different. But it's very close to this one. What did I do with this chair? Yeah, I got something good for the price and a wood game chairs and have managed to pick something I regret. Aw, sorry to hear that, Medusa Scarred. Just went in on the fun? Hell yes. I have to get a big and tall chair, so I want any head support. Understandable.
Yeah.
Hey, it's the Nya times. I really want to
Yeah.
suggest that can lean back with the chair.
Yeah.
Like the whole desk? Said we're gonna have two monitors where we were lying down.
Yeah.
Lying down monitors would be pretty nice.
Yeah.
A cat quest? Hell yeah. The Nya times are upon us. They are indeed.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is I going to do? Oh, right. Yeah. To see if there was
Yeah.
a custom reward.
Yeah.
So it
Yeah.
looks like this.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
custom reward ID.
Yeah.
Meow. Meow.
I think you can specify the reward
Yeah.
ID. I could.
Meow. Meow.
Wait, are you saying like
Meow.
I can edit the reward ID? I don't know if I can
Meow.
edit it on the Twitch side. I think it just gets assigned something. Or at least I'm not seeing anything.
Meow.
I can do reward name, description, cost, icon, background color, whether or not to skip the reward request queue, and then cooldown and limits. Those are the only things I can edit. Suddenly cat interrupting herself. Oh no.
Meow.
What I'd love is a chair. The entire chair can tilt back and the monitor's keyboard use the desk to lean back. I've seen like enclosure setups like that, but they usually cost just rich people money.
Meow.
You found something different? Wait, what did you
Yeah.
find, Stewie? Picturing a screen setup that's like 50,000K? Or yeah, 50K? Yes. Won't go away. All the yuknyas. Only one I can think of is like 10,000. Yeah. That sounds about right.
Meow.
Let's see. This. Get a small table that can hook to the chair so the mouse and keyboard to be on. If table. That could probably work. Or you could just get like a lap desk. Like, oh, I actually have one. I've got like this thing. It's like a little laptop desk. Or I guess I have it the wrong way. It's got like a little spot to put the mouse on, and a place to put a keyboard or a laptop. And then on the bottom, it's got like squishy. And you could just have that on your lap as you lean back. Lap doesn't like desks like that. Understandable. Yeah, I think... I guess the only other thing I could recommend that wouldn't be super expensive, that might help, is to remember to take frequent stretch breaks. Hence the stretch redeem. A drops thing. Oh, gotcha. Exactly, Yuki. Let's see, I want is BBCode message. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bool sender data dot tags dot get custom reward ID notification for stretch redeem. Oh, I don't think there is one. I think it just makes a noise, but I should anyways. Thanks for the stretch. Didn't make a sound? I've been noticing that more and more frequently. Like there were a few nyas that it skipped. I would say it's like maybe a 1 in 20 chance that it just misses a redeem. Overlay is decaying? Yes. It's a good thing that I'm starting to work on my overlays again and replace all of them. Let's see. Let's try on stretch breaks. I get up a lot, but I'm not as good.
Where is the library?
And I always remember to stretch before I go to bed. That's good. But yeah, stretch breaks while you're working and stuff. That's... I need to do better about that too. So... do I just do like this and then... Or wait, no. This is one where I actually can do has. Because I just want to check to see if it has the tag. Yes. I can has tag. Want to check if it's the right reward though? I'm just gonna do it for any custom reward. So anything that's a custom reward, That'll be fine. Because I don't want to have to like rebuild the chat thing every time I make or unmake one. And if people know enough to know to put BBCode into other rewards, then that's heckin' rad. Good on them. They've earned it at that point. Right. So what I would do is after these or wait, before these two is where I want to do it. No, at the start. You're right. Yeah. No, you're actually right. I'd want to strip those right away. Because I'll add stuff later. So I would actually just do this. Wouldn't even use that variable. If not, then do this. So if it doesn't have this, we escape it. I do believe that's what we want. So then if we do this, that won't do it. But if we do this, it will do it. And yeah, it still works with the action stuff. Nice. Hell yes. So then what we can do is go to this one. BBCode my message. BBCode message. Send a message using BBCode tags. Note, emotes are not affected by BBCode tags. Cost, that's good for now. Save. That is the tiniest message. It's so little. But yeah, there we go. I think that'll be good. What do you all think? Oh, I should probably edit the cost. So we'll do that. There. Keeping the highlight? Yes. Might as well, right? Fimsh? All the Fimsh. I'm gonna be testing some of these commands? Sure. Feel free to. That's what they're there for. Much egg. Egg. So I think... What else are we going to add to this? Or is it good to go? We probably don't actually want it to be... I'm gonna have a message for 1/4 the price. Exactly. No, I'm probably going to increase the price of the BBCode message, but not for this stream because I want people to test it. Did I tweak the highlight values? The highlight cost? Yes. Should I not have? The rainbow? Yes. Yeah, I changed it to slower frequency, lower saturation, and a value of 1. So it should be, yeah, it should be better. Right. I wanted to change the name of the project to... What should I call you? Twitch chat, I guess 2024 or whatever. Test McGiff 1989. No. I mean, maybe. I won't know what that is though. I will probably know what this is though. Export project. Let's make a new folder. Twitch chat. And we'll call you Twitch chat. Save. Wait, no. Overwrite. Yes. Seals forever? I don't know. Cause like seals is less helpful. The message. Eat my burger. You gotta eat your burger. BB my chat? Exactly. That might actually be a good name. But we'll go with this one for now. Oh, it broke. Why did it break? Did you not rename the exe? I did. Why did it break? That just didn't like to run at all on the project export. Export project Twitch chat. Yeah, it has the new name, but it is breaking for some reason. Oh, wait. Hold up. I think I know why. There we go. Oh, but I didn't embed that. Should I have embedded the pack file? And hammock my pack? I might do that. Warn ma, finish in your area. Yes. So we will probably want to put... What did I have for the size of this window? 450 by 500. Did I do the message delete? I didn't do the message delete. When we checked the queue, we looked at the queue, we thought about the queue, we messed with it, and it still seemed to work. Queue do be queuing, but also I want to change this to 450 by 500 so that it loads the size that I want it to load. Advanced settings. Okay. Thanks for the head pat. The scroll is scrolling, the action is actioning. Indeed. Alright. Save this project. Project settings. No. Project export. Embed PCK file. Let's go. The things are thinking. They do seem to be. Okay, let's get rid of all of this. Oh, cancel. Close. What? Oh, whoops. The endlin is cuting. The endlin is super cute. Is very true. Okay. Let's export you here. There. Then we do this. Then turn off that. Go to you. Twitch chat. Okay. There. How goes the gifting? The gifting? It's going pretty well. Oh, frog. It's still doing it, but you need to use the BBCode message redeem now. So you can still put silly stuff in there. Don't worry. Verbs are not verbing. Oh my. Ah, thanks, frog. But seriously, you're all heckin' cuties. I like you all very much. So I think the next part was that I had like a way to Twitch chat window. Had like a debug area. This is in the old project. Basically, it just had a couple of buttons. So I think I can do something similar. Debug update timer? What even? Oh. That just updates the number of messages. Is that even helpful? I don't know. So you knew if it deleted? Oh, maybe. I could see myself doing something along those lines. All right, let's finish this off right and do that aspect of it. So let's make a UI. What am I drinking? I've got Enlin made some cold brew coffee that's really tasty, and it's got milk and peppermint mocha creamer in it, and then water that I don't think I've even touched yet. I should probably drink some water. I'm liking it, Enlin. It's really tasty. Color's throwing you off? Yeah, I put a lot of milk and cream in my coffee. Cold brew sounding tasty? It really is. I haven't actually tried it without the cream yet. Felt very weak. Need more caffeine. Oh my. And then likes her coffee strong. Oh, look at those little fimpshes. They're just sort of swimming there. Like her women, apparently. I am not strong. Twitch chat window. Example. I should be able to just copy all this stuff over there. You are powerful. Definitely much stronger. Aw, pat. I know, Enlin. Like, you, well, no, I guess we're probably about the same now in terms of pickle jar opening strength. That is how we measure strength in this household. Opening pickle jars. The last one was really close. We almost didn't get it open. No way to find out is for you both wrestle? No wrestle. Only aggressive snuggle. Often carry the heaviest of groceries because I feel bad because I'm the one who usually wants to get all of the heaviest stuff. Like the pickles. You all should see it. I got this huge jar of pickles. Actually, you know what? Show and tell time. I'm going to show you my pickle jar. I'll be right back. Even the cashier count. It's so big. And then's bringing it. Playlist is randomized? Yes.
I'll be sure that you did it because I almost dropped it.
Oh, sheesh.
It is really heavy.
Look at this. It's so big.
That camera doesn't do it justice. It is a link to the forearm.
It's really big. Why it long? Because the pickles are long. Some honkin' pickles? They are. But you should have seen the pickle jar that we had before that. It was like 4 times the size. It was from Costco. And I have never seen... Well, I take that back. At like state fairs and Renaissance festivals and stuff, they'll often have like barrels of pickles, and they're basically just whole heckin' cucumbers. But as far as store-bought pickles, the other jar that we had was really big. Had this pickle jar before and bigger. Don't buy them anymore because they don't fit in the fridge. This jar just barely fits. Jars of spicy pickles. We got some spicy pickles. The spicy pickled jalapenos that Enlin would say aren't spicy. Burgers are gone. Oh no. Invisible Borg. Pickled jalapenos are good. I like the pickled banana peppers. Those are really good. Radius is so big it's outside the message. Oh, it could be. Ooh. There they go. Little burgers. Jalapenos, definitely not spicy. Might be tasty though. I think they're spicy. Although, as I'm coming to find out, my spicy tolerance is kind of weak sauce. At least compared to Enlin. Hydrate will do. Burger asteroids? Yes. Just call jalapenos definitely not spicy. Some people think they aren't. I like spice, but don't like the flavor of a lot of peppers. For spicy food, I really like the flavor, but it makes my face hurt. I'm not so keen on having my face hurt. Okay. Tried some ghost pepper cheese recently. Wasn't that spicy to me. Listen, I had to spit it out. It hurt. It was really spicy. Like, it tasted like pain. Just straight up pain. But also it was pretty good. But also I knew that to eat it meant that my face would hurt for the rest of the night. What was I doing again? I think I was adding a debug area. Cheese. Test my functionality. Yes. Auto delete messages in debug area. Yes. Yes. Wait, we should check to see what the first... Okay. How goes the gifting was the earliest. So... We'll look back at that after a while and see if it got deleted. consider fresh habaneros to be a good, solid, medium spicy. Did you do the auto delete? I'm pretty sure it's set to auto delete. Yeah, if new message, excess messages, it frees them right here. So it's an interesting way of doing it. For this, it's maybe working. So it's basically whenever there's a new message is when we would check to see if we need to get rid of excess messages. I think that's a okay place to do it. But right, the debug area. Let's do that. So evening, is this like a Twitch widget but made in Godot? Yes, that is what we're working on. It's a chat window. So you'll see the chat shows up. And we've got pronouns working, and we're adding a redeem so you can do BBCode stuff. A Twidget, yes. One thing that might cause issues, but it should mostly work. I mean, there's probably a few things that might cause issues, a lot of which I haven't even thought of yet. That's okay. I'll think of it when it happens. Let's see now. How do the pronouns work? Did I fix this? Ah, it still does that. Anywho, the pronouns work with this. You go, there's this thing that you can use to set your pronouns, and if you set them there, you can actually check, like, if you go here, you'll see that it's an endpoint that'll return pronouns for anybody who set them. And then what I do is I'll check to see if that's been set, and if it is, I'll prepend the message with the pronouns that are set. Wait spreads it across multiple frames, so it might try to delete messages shouldn't. If it is trying to delete twice at the same time. So what to do is just check if you have too many messages once and delete the first one if you do. Well, let me before I go into that, let me try to get this chat window thing. So I want to get the button to delete the messages. So I want to add not hbox container, ebox container. Think you did it? The pronouns? It might have it cached as you not having pronouns yet. So this is the next feature that I'm making. which is the ability to clear the cache so that it will show up. So to do that, I need to apply with the 404, but then I realized it meant how I mean it sounds when I associate what 404 means. Oh, shoot. I missed parts of conversations. But wait, let me get back to this thing. So, wait, let me look again how I did it before. Sorry, my brain is getting kind of all over itself. So I had num chat messages up there, and then clear chat, clear pronouns, and that. Okay, I think that makes sense. So in here, we want a label, and we want 2 buttons, and that timer.
Meow.
Okay. So for this label is the num chat messages. This button is clear chat button. This is clear pronouns button. And this is the debug container. And in the chat window. Okay. Wait, did that nya not happen? I feel like. Yeah. I feel like we're owed a few nyas. Yeah. So. Twitch chat window.
Meow.
Hit my script. Oh, I had it all in a margin container? What?
Ew.
Oh. So that...
Yeah.
So that it... Look at those wiggly fishmas. So that...
Meow.
Yeah, I kind of do want that. Change type to large container. Extends large container. And then here, the fish have breached containment. Oh no. Wait. Constant margins 10, 10, 10, 10. Layout full rect looks good. Yeah, this all looks good. Then here, the chat window. So first we've got... Actually, what am I doing? I can just copy all of this. Because it's probably going to be the same. Possibly. Such dark Finch arts. Alright, let's see. We need to clear chat button pressed. On clear chat button pressed. On debug update timer. Update timer. Timeout. Connect. There it is. Okay, force scroll timer. Wait. Did I not have this? I don't think I need this. I don't think this was working on my old one either. Because we've handled that scrolling thanks to Stewie's method. So we don't need that. This one we'll need. Uketoons, hell yeah. Oh. That, you might be right, Stewie. Hi Internet Rain, how's your day going? New feature? Yes. Could do that on the scroll container script. That would probably be where I'd want to do it instead of in here. Going good? Good to hear. A tiny little ooh. Nice. Hell yes. Alright, we need this. Event is action press to toggle debug. Project settings, input, add new action, toggle debug. There. Display debug. Chat container visible. Chat container is this. Do it so the timer starts when the window loses focus. Since the chat is its own window now. Do it so the timer has its own window. Thought I was having an audio glitch for it because of the song. That is an aptly named song for such a thing. Dissociation. That was on Curious Stream hearing the printer? Yes, we're printing up in here. Printing text, digital text. Scroll up on the chat window for some reason, and then go to something else. When the chat loses focus, you could start a timer. For a while, auto scroll to the end. Wrote this a long while ago. Yes. This was when you went under a different name. But I really like your old stuff too. what was I gonna do then? Wonder how this will work. Hell yeah. I like that printer animation. That's okay. Let's see. So I need to. Sorry, my brain energies are running out. I gotta kind of zero in on what I was gonna do. Let's do this. Does this work? Hell yes. Gotta get those trans flags in there. Debug. Oh, I don't actually have any. I don't actually have any of this. Hell yes. Big old flag. Clear chat. Clear notes. Debug update timer auto start, I think. At least I'm pretty sure. Yes. So now if we go here. Inspirational with how you are determined to get stream overlay stuff done. Oh, thanks, Hugh. What? Oh, is it because it needs to start like this? Why isn't it tabbing into existence? Is it? Oh. Access unique name? Is that why? Yes, I bet that's why. And then chat messages container also needs to be accessible by its unique name. This might work now. Nope. Increased egg emote's too good. Toggle debug. This should be pressed. Print. Toggle my debugs. Oh, also, I don't need to print out all this stuff anymore. What the? There. Print message. Well, that's fine, I think. Here. Don't need this. Okay. Oh, it's not doing it. Okay. Wait, is it because I didn't have focus in the window? Oh my gosh, I know why. I know why. Project settings, general, run. We were running the example scene. We need to run this one. We were running the wrong scene. Preparing to stream music? Hell yes. With the silly cat on the internet's tail wagging from below the desk. There we go. Sheesh. Okay. Let's see if it's doing... Have we gotten to it yet? I don't think so. So... The fish is going to bed. Oh my. So let's go to chat container, max messages. Let's try 10. Just to test to see if it will delete them correctly. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5, test 6, test 7, test 8, test 9, test... There we go. It looks like it works. Nice, nice. Oh, hey, and the pronouns worked. Got multiple messages ready in a single frame. I think that's fine. Because these messages are like 200 in the past. And to delete them, it's deleting them from the back. And that's fine. I think. Could simplify it all up by just checking the count, deleting the first one. Deleting... Wait. If we have a new message... So, wait. No if new message. Thanks for the lurk. Chat messages container. We get the number... returns maximum 2 in values. Just if chat messaging container get child count get child wait, the child at the 0th position? Access messages, which is the oldest child. Wasn't so if chat message container so I'm trying to remember why I did it this way. Was it to avoid checking the child count on each of these? But get child count should probably be not very intensive. So I would do if chat message container get child count is greater than max messages. Chat message container get child 0.q3. And then do I want to do this await? No await? The await is what will cause the issue? Okay. Let's try it then. So simply delete one message per frame till it is under the limit. Oh, well that's probably good. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. No, wait, it was actually doing nothing yet? Listen, I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. Test mod. Nice. Soup. Looks like this works just fine. And then clear chat. Oh shoot. I can't get back to chat now. There was a thing that made it so that I wouldn't focus on them. Use escape instead, but I want to use tab. Disable focus? Yeah. I feel like there's a way to do that. Focus under control. Mode. Is it mode none? Focus. I can definitely empathize with that. Focus none. Test Misu. Alright. So whoops. I meant to type test, but the key combination for test, if you shift one over, is rar. Clear chat. There we go. And toggling and debugs works. It's soup. Much soup. I want to do it to the rich text label as well. Oh, you're right. Yes. Let's not focus on chat messages. Focus. Focus. No. There we go. Now we shall test. It's still focused. Focus my message. Chat message. Does the H box? Maybe. Focus mode none. Maybe in here? Let's go chat messages container. Focus none. Scroll container. Focus none. Chat. Focus none. Chat container. Focus none. Testing in progress. Testing. Testing. Make the messages ignore mouse as well. Well, I might want to like copy and paste text though. Thanks for the warm fuzzies. Somewhere, somehow, it's getting focused. Oh, is it because we're dynamically generating these in script? Like right here. Example chat message. So it is this one, and we did change its mode to none. So it shouldn't be... Is it because text selection is on that overrides it? Disable deselect on focus loss. Test. Nope. Does escape clear focus? Oh wait, here we go. Well, that works, but you know what? I don't actually need to highlight text from here. I should highlight it from elsewhere. If anything, the less that it does, probably the better. Yeah. Also, I just realized something. If I go to here, the clear chat button, why? Okay, when I clear chat, where's the, oh. Yeah, why don't I call this afterwards? Like immediately afterwards. Wait. That wouldn't... I don't think that would work. Because these are queued for free. Call deferred? How do I call defer this on debug this. Like, oops. Like that. And then so would it, you can do call deferred on the function on debug update timer timeout call defer. Oh wait, no. Call deferred. Is there a reason you would recommend one over the other? This redeem is too fun? Hell yes. Gonna head to bed? Yeah. Thanks for being here. Hope you sleep well. Less streams? Alright. Whatevs. So call deferred. You heading to bed as well? Alright, Medusa Skirt. Sleep well. There's a compilation error. I see. Welcome back, Meatloaf. In case it's a runtime error. Well. Phone battery low, sleepy time. Work is sooner than I'd like. Go and watch. Much dilemma, very sad. Good night. Good night. Ego. And don't worry. Probably almost done with this part. I think so. Maybe. So if we do sub and then message count immediately 0, which it's a very tiny whatever detail that probably doesn't matter at all, but it'll help me for the very rare instances when I would ever need to press that button. Alright, and then hydrate. So, soup is too wet? What soup you eating? So, I think saliva soup, spit soup, split pea soup. Wait. Wait a minute. There was another thing I was gonna look into. What was that thing? Little shaky burgers. Burger. Yes. Shaky Nova? No. Not shaky. Probably. Shoot, where was the thing? I was gonna look into one thing I did want to check is take a quick look at switch chat. Okay, this is the old one. I want to see how it looks compared to that one. I knew it. I did something with the text to make this one look better. I think it was just an outline. Let's see. Scooch this somewhere. I'm running out of screen real estate. Chat message, rich text label, font, colors. So I'm pretty sure in the chat message I had, what did I have? Outline for font outline color. Okay. Outline for and font outline color. Yes. That does not look right at all. I think I mixed that one up. Oh, wait a minute. These were just the messages that were made with the ones from before. Because now... Yeah, now... The subs look really close. Going to bed? Gonna be lurking? Oh, thank you. Also, hell yeah for trans colors. Now that I know I can do this, there's a lot of redeems that I could make. Is this pink or purple? Is which pink or purple? There are a lot of pinks and purples going on around here. Alright, which one was which? So both? Yes, much of both. Implement your own trans tag for the colors? I could. It's not a bad idea, actually. No idea how you do it officially? I'm pretty sure you can make your own tags. Custom BBCode tags and text effects. Yeah. Process custom FX. That could be pretty neat. Isn't all powerful though? Should be able to do color change stuff. Yeah, what I'd probably do is, yeah, I could just make a trans flag for it. So like rainbow except trans colors. And then I could do it for all the pride flags. Interesting. Also use register with no text at all. Use to push and pop tags and text. I think I'm gonna have some fun reading tonight. Okay. I think it's working. Although, wait. Thanks for the sub. It doesn't say who subbed though. My thing caught it. Come on. Thank you so much for the sub. Also, hi. How's your day going? Clunk, you will maybe enjoy the BBCode absurdity that's going on right now. We've got BBCode in chat. Doing good? I feel like I haven't caught you live in forever. Oh, thank you. Well, I'm happy you're here now. Yeah, I haven't done much dev lately, but I want to get back into it. Wait. Oh, you need to do it in a redeem now. The BBCode message. No worries. It was earlier in the stream that you didn't need to do that. Nice. Hell yeah. Wait, that's the old one. So yeah, I think I pretty much got this chat where I want it again. Yes, the highlight message is rainbow. And I'll have to think of some other ones too, maybe. Oh no, it popped. Export. Wait, no. Hold up. Before I do that, let's go back to this and change the max messages back up to 200. We don't want it to be just 10. No. Alright. Then project export. Oh, because it's currently running. Let me close that. There we go. Now. Should be back. I think the push pop tag thing would work great with the event sub. The way it does message fragments. Nice. I'm gonna have to look into that. Cause I am super interested in extending this kind of stuff. Yugen, hi! Oh, I see some cats here and there. They're blinking in and out of existence. But Yugen, we got silly redeems and stuff now. If you do the BBCode or highlight my message. The highlight message makes everything rainbow. And the BBCode stuff makes stuff nice and silly too. You can see all the different BB codes that you want to use. Here. Look at that little scurrying cat. Or there's a few cats. Heckin' zoomies cats. Draining all the channel points? Aha! That's the plan. Ah! I dang near opened that link. I'm glad I took a double take to look at that. Rainbow time, hell yes. Alright, I think that's good. Wait, oh wait, that was from that. I don't need to worry about that. New message. Oh, right, because we switched out this. We're not doing it that way anymore. There we go. There. That should be much simpler now. You are right, Stewie. It is much smaller. I like the little cats bouncing. Yeah. Wait. Blank message. Or is it though? I wonder what it was. Blank message. Wait, is it like... Wait, how is... What? One with? On actual Twitch. Whatever. It doesn't have the that. This one does. Wait, what? You're right, it doesn't have the colon. So just like... I don't know. Just sending... Oh. Sending secrets. I see. I see how it is. Non-printable by itself, but Twitch doesn't strip out either. Aha. So you would gain the ability to send blank messages. But what did it cost? Wait, why didn't those render? What were those supposed to be? What is that? What? Oh. Weird. Me. Cat? Wait, what? Never done this before? Wait. Did your soup get a shadow? Oh. Is it because in here, do I need to set these for all of them? Like this? Can set it as the default font globally. Setting it on all won't work well. I'll set it there, and is it fonts? Custom font? Is that where I set it? That's gonna be emoji font. Save and restart. And remove it from the fonts theme override. Here. So then this should maybe work. Alright, do your soup. I think it's doing it. Oh, that looks... I don't... That doesn't look very good. That looks sad and dark. What happened? It should look like this. Colorful and squishy. You think the name is bold? Oh. You can use a font variation for each one of them? How do I want to do this? Oh, why is this? So the normal would be it? It's using that font for everything. It is indeed. Before it wasn't. It's using Godot's default font. Yeah, I want Godot's default font. So how do we do that? Okay, make a new resource. New resource, font variation, name font. And font variation, base font. Then just set the fallback. No color. Don't change anything else. Okay. Then project settings. Fonts. We'll use main font. Check if the variation options are good. This might work. Open type. Variation coordinates, face index, embolden. I don't know any of those. So hopefully it works. We shall see. And test. Oh no. Manually make the yeah, the patterning will come back at some point. Don't worry, Ellen. Let's do one for each. I feel like this is a lot trickier than the other solution that we had. But I'll do it this way, I guess. The other solution is this solution. Wait, where we assign them manually? Project settings. So let's take font out of here. Stretch will do. With a different variation for each one. Okay. So get rid of that. Then let's rename you to normal font. Do it directly on the rich text label. Okay. Normal font. This one. I think. Look at those finch. On the bold font. New font variation. Fallback. Quick load. Noto color. Set the base font to the actual font, the emoji font. If you want them to be the same font. Wait. Set this font to the normal font? Okay. I still... So if we do that... Oops. Now set embolden on variation. It still looks a bit different though. Variation, embolden. What? Don't need the fallback. Probably. Alright. Italics font, font variation, base font, normal font. For italics, variation, a question about a font, how can I set the font to a custom one? That's sort of what we're doing here. On the transform on XY, add some small value. Like 0.3. Okay. Then bold italics, font variation. We'll test that soon. All right, let's test it right now. I think you're right. I think it's going the other way. But I think it's, yeah. Okay. It's looking closer. Just here to post Fimsh. Understandable. Okay, so on this one, 0 on, it's on the XY, not on the YX. I was on the XY. Do I want to go on the YX? There we go. I think that works now. So I'm just like kind of comparing here. Yeah. I think they're pretty close. Wait, which was which now? For the bold italics, do both the transforms and the embolden. Have you ever used Emacs Vim, NeoVim, just not Nano? I usually use Vim. I used to way back in the day use Emacs, but for a lot of the work that I was doing, I have to remote into, or I had to remote into like clients' machines, and Emacs was never set up or configured like the way I liked it, but Vim always was. So I just started using Vim. Font variation, set base to normal font. Then for variation, embolden 1 on this, 0.3. Okay. And then mono font. I don't. Is there a way to do a BBCode with a mono font? Should be an yeah. Code does it. All right, I'm gonna grab a mono font quick. There's one that I actually like. Where is it? Fonts. Here. I'm gonna bring this one. Here. So let's do quick load this one. Save that. Maybe not set fallback for mono. Sure. Nice. It's got it. Let's try skew emoji. It doesn't. Well, that's okay. It's okay that it doesn't skew emoji. Honestly, almost preferable. Can't have Italian stew. Oh no. If you want to try a fun thing, try Noto emoji instead of Noto color emoji. What's Noto emoji? Is it everything black and white? Or an emoji font that is like a normal font? Why would I want it to be not color images though? I suppose if I wanted to do like text effects and stuff, maybe? That might be kind of neat. Noto emoji. Where do I find you? That might be neat, but I think I like having the colored ones. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with these. But it's good to know that it exists in case I ever want to do something with that. Yeah, that might be interesting. Now that this is done, though, I think it's time to do another build. Because it's looking pretty good, I think. Export project. Whoops, what happened? Did it? Uh-oh. What? Godot? All your Godot belong to us? Yes. It might just be done. Oh dear. I might have broke Godot. It might just be done. There. Now let's bring it back. Just learned so much about encoding. Disappeared for a few hours to send a single string from Godot to a Python server, and that was rough. Oh, sheesh. Well, I hope it's working now. Okay, let's try this again. Only slowly this time. That looks like it worked. There. Gotta do it fast before Godot realizes what you're doing? Yes. Indubitably. Indeed. Assuredly. Apparently Godot's TTF8 buffer is including a string in a format called Sloppy Windows 1252. Sloppy, oh my. Yikes. Let's see. Well, I think I might call stream for tonight and get some lunch, which is weird to say, but that's what happens if you sleep most of the day. My, such sloppy. Also, there's this one show that Enlin's got me started on that I might want to watch another episode of. If you're okay with that, Enlin, it's a really good show. I want to find out what happens. But it looks like there is a friendly bear who's streaming right now and doing Godot stuff. Perfect opportunity, perfect raid target. So, if we go there, there's a raid message I want you all to do. Either this message or this message, if you're okay with that. Everybody say hi to Aaron. Yes, much Finch. All the heckin' Finch. Yeah, I will see you all later. Also say hi, Big Indian. Yes. If you all have standard greetings with Aaron, which I feel like a bunch of us do, please utilize those standard greetings and say hi to Aaron. But yeah, I will see you all hopefully soon.